Consistency is the secret to success. Small, positive habits practiced consistently can lead to significant outcomes. Over time, these actions compound, creating a powerful effect that transforms your life. Every decision you make shapes your future. Conscious choices, even small ones, contribute to your success. Avoid drifting through life. Actively choose habits that align with your long-term goals. One positive habit can create a ripple effect, influencing other areas of your life. For instance, a morning exercise routine might lead to healthier eating, improved energy, and increased productivity. The compound effect requires patience. Results aren't immediate, but trust the process. Resist the urge for instant gratification and focus on your long-term vision. Over time, benefits multiply exponentially. Regularly track your habits and progress. This helps you see how small changes add up and keeps you accountable. Celebrate milestones to maintain motivation and reinforce positive behavior. Your environment matters. Surround yourself with people who inspire and encourage positive behavior. Accountability partners can significantly boost your success by pushing you to stay consistent with your habits.